special marine warning for St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots, and small hail from 19 nautical miles northwest of New Baltimore to 10 nautical miles northwest of the Ambassador Bridge, moving east at 35 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near St. Clair shores and the Grosse Pointe around 4:50 p.m. Montana Clemens Harbor of Refuge and Lake St. Clair Metro Park Marina around 4:55 p.m. St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light around 5 p.m. St. Clair around 5:05 p.m. Mariners can expect strong winds to nearly 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.